Alex is anam dom.
Joanna is anam dom. Is as an foreign much agus a hannig much go gailif. Hormud space of gaelge. We use the Irish language in Olyart because we are both from Poland, and when we first came to Ireland and to Galway especially, we fell in love with the country and its heritage. So with the language as well, because it was so different to what we knew with the spelling and the pronunciation. And we've just decided that since we're going to do the souvenirs, it's necessary to have the spine of the heritage included. So we decided to use the Irish in it. And also we thought it's just necessary to spread the word about the Irish since you care about it so much, and to send it to the globe where souvenirs go. So we can introduce the language to people who are not really related to Ireland, or reminded to people who left Ireland and missed their country and traditions. Also, as Polish, we know how it feels to lose the language, because we lost it for over 100 years, our independency. So we're so proud of Irish people that they actually hold on to it. So using the Irish language in Olyart, it does really higher our prestige of the company. Because we can call ourselves the bilingual company, and we can promote the Irish and English at the same time and at the equal level. And also, since we started in 2011, we found that there was a big gap in the souvenir market, because there was very, very little souvenirs, including Irish language. And also, it's just very nice to see the excitement of our customers when they realize that they can actually spot the product that includes Irish blessings and quotes and sayings. Future plans for Olyart are to include the Irish language in our new products, and we would like to continue to use it on our website and marketing materials and social media. We would like to encourage our clients to use the Irish language within their business, and we would like also to attempt to learn our Irish language ourselves.
Boa linguae a olum.